This is my beam of 20 feet span and 50 kip load. Point load is acting on it at these distances. First of all, find out the reactions. Take moment about point A. This is point A and this is the anti-clockwise about point A. This VB create the anti-clockwise moment. So VB multiplied by 20 and 50 is create the clockwise moment. 50 multiplied by 15 about point A is equal to 0. And thus we can find out VB 37.5, and by applying Fy is equal to 0, these are the equilibrium equations. We can find out VA. Now we will draw the SFD shear force diagram. This is my V1. Shearing force at point A is equal to reaction at point A. This is positive. And shear force at point C is equal to same as shear force at point A, because there is no shear is changing between A and C. And at point C the shear force will be 37.5. and now the V3 is the same. V3 is shearing force at point B, which is equal to V22 shearing force at C. Now the shearing force at C is 12.5 at left side here and minus 37.5 here. Okay, at point B the shearing force is V3. From C to B no shear force is changing because no load is acting over here as were here. So the shear force is same, which is minus 37.5, mean anti-clockwise shearing is acting in this region. Okay, and at B the shear force is VB. This we can find out. V21 is this one is equal to VA. V22 is equal to previous shearing force minus 50, which is point load acting over here. This is V22, we can find out in this way, and V3 is equal to V22 is equal to this one, and in at the last this V3 and VB, the reaction force and the shear force at that point, they must be same. Now this is the SFD I have drawn, and now I will draw the BMD for this shape. This is my M1. Here moment at roller and moment at pin must be 0 for simply supported beam. And this is my M2. M2 we can find out M1 previous moment plus area, shear force area, SFD area. This is the SFD area. We can find out 12.5 into 15. 12.5 into 15 is the distance. This is rectangular area. Rectangular area plus moment at that point. We will find out the moment at that point. This is the moment at C, 187.5 M2. Now moment at 3, we can find out moment at 3 by this equation. Previous moment plus area of SFD in this region. This is the area of SFD in this region, minus 37.5 into 5. This I have find out. This is downward, so that is why we have taken as minus 37.5 into this one. It is M3 is 0. Okay, this is the BMD. M3 and M1 must be 0 because at M1 place it is roller and here it is pin.